I'm Will Sampson from FDMC Magazine and the Woodworking Network. We're in the shop today to give you a quick overview about four new electronic tools from General Tools. It's part of their ToolSmart series. These are all measuring devices, and they have a feature where they will pair with your cell phone to store information or give you a second screen or different features with each tool. But not all of these will be applicable to the woodworking shop, but they are as a family, so we'll talk about all four of them. Probably the tool that is most applicable to the woodworking shop, and I'll zoom in so you can get a closer look, is this angle finder. You'll notice it has regular bubble levels on it, but let's turn it on here. And it has a ruler, conventional ruler on the top edge. But you can lift this part and you'll see the angle change so that you can measure angles accurately with digital precision. It's kind of a interesting deal. And another device that's in the suite of tools that is again familiar but has some additional features. This is a laser measure. A lot of us have found that these are really handy, particularly indoors where you can see the laser dot real well. This one has a 100-foot range and has some interesting features where you can pull out this little measuring stick at the bottom, and it works pretty much conventionally like a standard laser measuring device, but it does have, I'll turn it on here, hang on a second. One of the things that I like, it has in the display, I don't know if you can see it in the video, but there's a angle measurement built into this, which helps you determine if you have this thing lined up straight, 90 degrees or whatever direction you're measuring in. So that's handy. It also comes with a little belt case for it. And turn that off. And it does feed and meters and all that. Probably of less interest to woodworkers, there is a multimeter, digital multimeter in the suite of tools. Back up just a little bit here. And in addition to the usual functions that you would expect for measuring resistance and voltage and things like that, this one also will measure temperature. And in fact, it'll tell us right now that it's 64 degrees in my shop. And it even has an external temperature probe that you can put on it for measuring temperature. I'm not sure where that would come in a woodworking application, but it's an interesting thing to have. Probably my favorite tool, and I'll back up here a little bit, of the whole suite is this guy, which is a video inspection camera that uses a fiber optic cable, so you can see behind things. So now when you lost that screw behind the cabinet or whatever it is you dropped in a place that you can't see, you can retrieve it. And it even comes with little attachments. I'll zoom in a little closer here so you can see them. Little attachments for a mirror to look around a corner. There is a magnet to pick up metal things, and there is a hook to fish things out like cables or wires. And it's definitely handy. I'll turn it on here, and We'll zoom in on the screen. I'm going to just stick the let's see if you can see it here. We're now looking under my workbench and seeing some Festool sustainers in there. Let me keep this on the screen here and zoom in so that we can see. So now I'm looking under my workbench with the video inspection camera. Kind of cool. And this one of the things that's valuable on the interface with your cell phone is that you can view what it's viewing on your cell phone. So you could have somebody operating the inspection camera and you could be remotely looking at it. Very cool. These are again all available from General Tools and definitely worth checking out. That's what we got for you for today. You can see more videos and tool reviews on FDMCdigital.com and woodworkingnetwork.com. Thanks for watching.